Today I am reviewing the iScooter electric scooter. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. If you're looking for a powerful, reliable, and versatile electric scooter, the iScooter electric scooter is definitely one to consider. This scooter packs a punch with its dual 1,000-watt motors, which can take you from a casual cruise to an adrenaline-pumping ride in no time. With speeds reaching up to 38 miles per hour in dual drive mode, it's one of the fastest electric scooters in its class. But what's even more impressive is the flexibility it offers. You can switch between single drive speeds ranging from 12 to 31 miles per hour or activate both motors to experience the full 38 miles per hour thrill. This means whether you're commuting on smooth city streets or tackling steep hills and rough terrain, the iScooter is built to handle it with ease. Battery life is another strong suit of this electric scooter. Equipped with a CE-certified 48V to 54.6V 15.6Ah battery, it delivers an incredible range of 40 to 50 miles on a single charge. That's perfect for longer commutes, weekend adventures, or extended rides around town without the constant worry of running out of juice. The battery system is well designed to offer consistent power and endurance, so you can count on it day after day. Safety features on the iScooter are thoughtfully engineered. It has an advanced lighting setup that keeps you visible in all conditions. The headlight is bright and accompanied by reflectors, which help with night riding. You'll also find turn signals located at the four corners of the deck, so other drivers and pedestrians are clearly aware of your intentions when you're turning. The scooter also boasts blue ambient side lights, adding style and extra visibility. The tail light flashes when braking, providing an immediate alert to those behind you. Speaking of braking, the scooter uses robust dual handlebar disc brakes on both the front and rear wheels, coupled with hidden power cutoff brakes, ensuring that you have strong and reliable stopping power whenever you need it. This dual braking system significantly enhances your confidence and safety while riding. Comfort and control are critical when it comes to electric scooters, and the iScooter excels here as well. It features 10-inch off-road pneumatic tires that offer excellent grip and stability on various surfaces, including rough pavement, gravel, and dirt trails. The front swing arm and rear spring suspension absorb bumps effectively, smoothing out the ride for a more enjoyable experience no matter where you go. This means less fatigue and more fun on longer rides. The scooter is built to accommodate riders up to 330 pounds, so it's durable and strong enough for most adults. One of the modern conveniences of this scooter is the integration with the Mini Robot app. This app lets you monitor your ride in real time, customize performance settings, and even lock the scooter remotely for security when parked. This smart connectivity adds an extra layer of control and peace of mind, which is especially handy for commuters and casual riders alike. Assembly is a breeze thanks to the one-piece pre-installation design. When you receive your iScooter 9.7 Pro, it's almost ready to ride right out of the box. This saves you time and frustration, letting you hit the road quicker. Additionally, the company backs the scooter with an excellent warranty program, a 360-day warranty on certain parts and 180 days on others, along with responsive customer service to address any questions or concerns. This shows they prioritize quality and customer satisfaction. In conclusion, the iScooter electric scooter is a feature-rich, high-performance scooter that balances power, range, safety, and comfort. Whether you're a daily commuter looking for an efficient way to get around or an adventure seeker who enjoys off-road excursions, this scooter delivers exceptional value. Just remember to fully charge it before your first ride to ensure optimal performance. If you want an electric scooter that offers speed, durability, smart features, and comprehensive safety, the iScooter is definitely worth your consideration.